Hi, welcome back. I'm working on planting out several of my winter sown jugs, and I wanted to show you these. Whoops. Pink peony poppies done on March 2nd by your cracker penstemon done on March 2nd. Look at this one. Some more. They're about to bloom. Whoops, I gotta get these done. So I thought that was funny. And yet this pink peony poppy barely has anything in it. So let's go get these planted out. I'm gonna have to cut this one right here just to get it out. Here are a few that I emptied. I took the duct tape off. Hoppy red amaranth. Looks like something's eating it. And then it says red striped amaranth. Pink peony poppies. Look at that. That is pretty. And then this is a pink peony poppy. Pull it through here without breaking it. I don't know. There we go. Got it out. This one is a firecracker penstemon. Here's some Sweet William. Look how well this did. Isn't that beautiful? I'm gonna plant it out. Look at these yellow snapdragons I did on March 20th. Look how full they are. Let's see if they're really snapdragons. Hopefully they're not lettuce. Let's open this up. Let me put down those scissors for a minute. There we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. Definitely snapdragons. Those are going in today. Exciting. Let's see if they're all yellow. I wouldn't mind if they're a mixed color. How fun. So here is all of the winter jugs open. We are in May in Utah, Zone 6B. This one is straw flowers. Look how awesome that looks. Here's a poppy. This one is Dame's Rocket. Here's just a few Orange Wonder snapdragons. There's a few more coming up. Look at this borage plant. There might be something else in there. I don't know what those are. Oh, forgot to open two of them. This one is Gloriosa Daisy. Look how good that looks. And this one is Coreopsis. So I'm gonna get these planted. So all these bright yellow are winter sown double Coreopsis. Aren't they beautiful? I am so excited. It all came from a clump out of one of my jugs. And I like how it's just mingling in with everything else here. So pretty.